Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly, aka Crownedksutherland. Thank you so much for stopping by. I did not just clap, but thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to like stick around, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of the fam. And before we even get into the video, just like subscribe already, like subscribe so I can like start the video. Let me give you like a couple seconds. Okay, so guys, today's video is in collaboration with Toyotress, and as you know, I do tons of hair videos for Toyotress. I've always worked with them. I love their crochet hair. It literally looks really realistic. All their crochet styles looks like individually braided hair or locks or twists. But guys, today's video is extra special because it's butterfly locks, and as you know, I always do butterfly locks, but this time they have it in 20 inches and I'm excited because I've never seen them with 20 inches. I'm just like, okay, this is cool. It's always like a bob or like here, but girl, this is below my boob. So I'm just really excited about that and I can't wait to just like do it. And I already did like 2 of them and they look so good. They look really good, girl. You see how far that comes? And this is in the front. So imagine the back that I feel like it'll hang lower. But yeah, guys, I already did 2 because I was making a TikTok. But anyways, this hair is their butterfly locks and it is 20 inches. I have a pack. Each bag carries 8 individual packs on the insides, so you literally only need 1 bag. That's amazing. And you literally will do your hair in half the time it takes to do like real butterfly locks. And the way that I do it, if you haven't seen this before, girl, if you've never been to my channel, you already know that my crochet literally looks like individual locks. So the way that I do it, it saves you time. It looks cute. You can put it on a ponytail, well, a half up, half down. You can put it in like pigtails. You can like switch the part, middle part, type part. I do it like the versatile way, and it's also done with the individual illusion method, so you think that, you know, it's literally individual locks when it's actually crochet and it took you half the time. But yeah, guys, what else is there to say? So about my braiding pattern, because I'm trying to cover everything and then I'm just gonna get into it because there's not much to say. It's so easy. You can literally do this yourself, okay? So my braiding pattern, if you want a detailed like look of how I get that, I'll link the video here, and also in the description box you can check that out, how I show you how I do my individual pattern. And instead of doing like individual like plaits today, I just use rubber bands to secure them because I have my nails on. I'm not gonna be like doing the braids real good, so I don't want to do that. So I just use rubber bands just so it'll be neat. If I didn't have nails on, I would have done like my individual like little plaits. But just do the rubber bands and don't do them like too tight and you're good to go. I literally start off by parting my hair in half. After parting it in half, I pull the back in a ponytail and then I part it down the middle. And each quarter, like I put it into individual like ponytails just so I can see what I'm doing. I get whatever gel that I'm using. Today I used Style Factor Edge Booster, their pomade, I don't know how it's pronounced, but that's what I use because I didn't have any of the what's that thing that I always use? It's not coming to me, but the thing that I usually use on my parts, I didn't have none of that, so I use something else. You can use whatever you like, gel, edge control, anything that works for you to get your parts clean. So after parting it down the center, I parted it 1, 2, 3, 4. I put each of them in 4, get my parts really neat first, and then I move on to doing them individually, and each one has, well, the first one has 2, then 3 individual ones, and then 4. And I repeat the same thing on the other side. And then in the back, I just braided it down and I brought one of the braids towards the back, towards the end here. And with every single braid that I do, I just put the end in the other one when I'm like 3/4 way down, just so everything is connected. You want like a flat, well, as flat as possible of a foundation. You want as seamless as possible of a foundation, so it just looks neater and it lays flatter. But anyways, I felt like I've said it so much, I'm just trying to explain, but you can watch the video to see how I do it. I'm gonna show you guys the back, then I'm just gonna get to work because there's really not much to it. I'm just gonna show you how to do one, then I'm just gonna do everything, play some music, and we're gonna get through it. They look really good. It has a slight little smell, but as soon as you have it in your hair and you put products in your hair, you'll be fine. But it looks so good and realistic. I'm gonna do like 2 of these slowly so you can see them, and then I'm just gonna do everything else, and then, you know, we're gonna show you the finished product because y'all seen this already. Y'all definitely seen me do this. Insert it like so with the latch open. The hair's already opened, but you can open it if it's like too tight. Then I'm gonna put it on the latch, close it, pull it through. It's gonna open like this when you pull it through. Then I'm going to put the end of the hair in, close it, and then just pull it through, and just like that, we did it. Like, it's literally that simple. Then you just pull it down to tighten it, and that's it. And as I said, if you're using rubber bands, don't do them too tight because you're gonna have a headache. This one at the front seems like it's a little tight. Just don't do them too tight. And don't do them too loose either because you do want it to be neat. So there, that's one. And this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to do the others. Let me just show you guys one more. And then I'm just going to speed through everything else. So you're going to insert the needle. Just like this. Have it opened. Then you're going to take your hair, open it, put the hair on, close it, pull it through, open the latch again, and you're gonna put the hair right there, close it, and then just pull it through. Well, that's being annoying, so I'm not gonna do that, but you can do that. That way is way easier. Or you can just put the needle down and then just use your fingers and pull it through, which is easier to use the crochet needle, and then you just pull it down, and that's it. There you go. We have another one, and I'm just going to do that until completion. And I really did that front one real tight because it's tight, girl. Ooh, yep. And we're just gonna do that throughout the entire hair until the top is finished. And then once the top is finished, you do the back. Guys, like 3/4 of my hair is done. I'm going to do the other side, like the other little bit off camera, and I'll come back. Like, it's nighttime now. I'm going to come back in the morning when I do my makeup and when I'm going somewhere, because I have somewhere to go tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. My hair is looking real cute, and yes, I did go in with a flat iron and flat iron my edges. You don't have to do that. I just did it just so it'll form better, but I'm gonna come back with my makeup on and everything done. And yeah, keep on watching. I hope you subscribed. Hope you like this video. If you like this hair, the link is in the description. The link is in the description box below. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I really love my hair. This is just like one of the best things they ever created butterfly locks in half the time, and you don't have to sit down and do individual ones. And then the greatest part is the length for me. Like this is 20 inches and I love how it reaches like right below my bust. That's really nice. Imagine if they came out with 30 inches like Toyotress. If y'all come out with a 30 inch, it's over. Let me tell you, like, it's over if y'all come out with a 30 inch, but I'm really loving it. And guys, I did flat iron my baby hairs. Don't come for me. Like, I just wanted my baby hairs to look real cute, so I flat ironed them, and then I just used a little edge control, and this is the look, and I'm loving it. I feel so cute. I feel vacation ready. I just want to be somewhere on somebody's island just looking really nice and sun-kissed. Okay guys, so this is the finished result, and I love how my hair turned out. I took a chance and I curled my edges, and I like them. I don't know, let me know down below, but I'm feeling it. And y'all, my earrings keep hitting on each other. I don't know if y'all are hearing that because that mic picks everything up, but y'all, I love this hair. I feel like I should be on vacation on somebody's island, and you can't tell me that this is crochet. You can't tell me that I didn't sit for a long time doing my hair. Like literally, this took me forever. If only they know, girl, that it's crochet. Do y'all see this? Do you see the parts? It's the parts for me. It's the individual looking locks for me. Okay, if y'all like this hair, be sure to check out the link in the description box. Shout outs to Toyotress for sending me this hair for this video. I love the new length. I love the 20 inch. If y'all come out with 30 inch Toyotress, it's over. Like if y'all come out with 30 inch, because this is so fire, and it comes down like a little bit below my bust, which I love, and it meets me like mid back when I push everything to the back. So I'm loving that. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say. This is super easy, and if y'all want like a detailed video, you know, you can check out some of my older crochet videos, because I do these videos pretty often, I think. But yeah guys, if you like this video, be sure to leave a like, be sure to leave a comment, and please subscribe, girls. Subscribe so we can grow, you know, become a part of the fam. And my earrings just keep hitting each other. I don't know if y'all are hearing that. Hopefully you're not, but like with this hair, baby, I'm ready to be on vacation. Like pina colada me, beach me, please. Like, ugh. But yeah guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you're going on vacation, I promise you this is a great alternative, and you don't have to get anybody to do it. You can do it yourself and save your coins, sis. Okay, love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. I never know how to end my videos right, but I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.